Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Unica in a nutshell. Today we are focusing on power sharing and we'll delve into how it works and the advantages it offers. Power sharing is the capability of Class D amplifiers to automatically share the unused power supply resources among all channels, ensuring it is delivered where it is needed the most. This feature applies when we need to drive asymmetrical loads. Let's make a practical example. We have this Unica 8K8, an 8000 watt amplifier platform, 1000 watt per channel, and we want to drive different systems installed in our venue. We may have the main PA with a 2000 watt subwoofer at 4 ohm and 2-point source speaker requiring 850 watts at 8 ohm. Then there is the monitoring system with another 4 ohm sub, 1500 watts and 1200 watts top at 8 ohm. Some column speakers around the bar for background music diffusion for a total of 700 watts at 16 ohm. High impedance line, 70 volt, 600 watt for restroom and services area. And a couple of outdoor speakers, 300 watt, 8 ohm total. Here we are. We created a full and powerful installation using just one rack unit amplifier, your shiny Unica. Without power sharing capability, we would have necessarily opted for a more powerful amplifier, and more expensive too, in order to drive our subs. You might be wondering, how can I unlock this incredible feature? Well, power sharing engages automatically without requiring any configuration. In a nutshell, power sharing gives you the advantages of having a very flexible amplifier that allows you to drive more powerful system without sacrificing the overall performance. In this way, you can increase the efficiency of your installation and, as a consequence, reduce the total project cost. Thanks for joining us on this episode, and stay tuned for a more exciting feature and insight about Unica, the next generation amplifier platform.